Hello and welcome on this new deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So of course the gold has been a big pain in the ass recently, and it's normal because the gold right now, my friends, is actually ranging at a very historical levels, and it's literally uncharted water. Now for example, the gold actually has rose all the way right here till 2483, and right after reaching that level it has dropped to another 900 pips. So that's actually a major rejection in the breakout from that level of a resistance. Now of course I have to highlight that last week I have sent a deal to buy the gold exactly from this level at 2431, and of course when I sent this signal, the gold was actually just right here, I think, at 2450, and I was actually hoping for a pullback to happen and then the gold will continue the rise. But what happened is that the gold kept rising after sending my signal, and the price action that happened later was so obviously for the fall. And of course I even have sent a notification here on my Telegram telling everyone that the gold is moving in a strong bearish movement. We have to close the deal right now in a small loss. Of course, those who have joined this Telegram channel, they were able to avoid another 200 pips of loss right after I have sent this update. That's why I'm telling you, my friends, you have got to join our free group of Telegram to receive such updates from me directly. I cannot send these updates on YouTube, therefore you have got to join the group. You can find the link in the description below of this video. You can find it right there and trade with the Xtreme Trader team, rather than you are just taking the signal and you are trading all alone by yourself, and you cannot really receive any of these updates unless you have joined us on Telegram. So again, bearish movement was so strong for the for the gold. So now what's the story? What's happening right here? For a starter, if we switch right now to the weekly chart, now we have here a strong sell option. I mean, what we can see right here on the weekly chart is a triple top pattern. Indicates, of course, that the gold right now most likely will continue the fall. Second price action here, of course, is the pin bar. That's actually a strong sell signal that we can actually rely on to start selling the gold. Of course, I have already done my fundamental analysis job, and from what I can see is that the gold is gonna continue the fall and the dollar is rising, so therefore we will look for selling the gold for the next days. However, it's important to highlight that the gold right now is actually ranging on this neutral channel, as we can see right here. So therefore we will carefully be selling the gold at a certain level, and our take profit level is gonna be also carefully chosen. Therefore, again, looking to sell the gold for the upcoming week. Now moving to the daily chart. Right here, based on the daily chart, what we can see right here is, of course, a strong support trend line that indeed has been respected, and the gold is actually climbing its way on that level of a support trend line. Now, after this 900 pips fall or drop actually happened after reaching 2483, now the gold most likely will continue the fall till it reach a certain level right here. Now the answer is lying, of course, on the Fibonacci retracement to find the exact take profit level. So by checking the Fibonacci retracement, we can see clearly that the gold right now most likely gonna continue the fall toward the Fibonacci 38.2 at this level of a key support exactly at 2357. Therefore, I think it's gonna be safe to say that this is gonna be our take profit level at 2352. So meaning we have to look for a level to sell the gold. So of course, actually after the drop of about 900 pips, the gold will of course make it will rise again, of course, to gain some liquidity, and after that I believe it's gonna continue the fall again. Now the answer of where exactly we can sell the gold again lies on two aspects. Number one is the resistance trend lines, and number two is the resistance levels. So let me just now move to the 4-hour time frame, and actually I would like to squeeze the chart like that so we have actually a clear level where exactly we can draw our lines to. Now as you can see right here, we have of course a resistance trend line, as we can see exactly like this. Now we have here a clear level of a resistance trend line, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And of course, right after this bullish breakout happened right here, the gold actually has failed to create a single support trend line right here. It just didn't happen, and the gold just kept falling, and right now has reversed exactly at 23.6, which was of course a strong key support level. So meaning we can expect a pullback to happen by the opening of the market on Monday, and we can expect the gold to continue the rise toward that level of a resistance trend line, and after that it will continue the fall toward our take profit level at Fibonacci 38.2 on 2352. That means that we can actually look at the resistance levels. So we have answered the question based on the resistance trend line. How about the resistance levels? Now, if I'm not mistaken, and hopefully I'm not, right here exactly, we have the strong key level of a resistance. Wait a minute, just to be sure, exactly right there at 2424. If we look at the left side, this has always been a strong key level of a resistance, and it was of course a real level of a resistance right here and right there as well. Therefore, if the gold will continue the rise, I believe it will reverse exactly at that level of a resistance. Expected a small drawdown of maybe like 50 pips only before it actually starts the bearish fall. Therefore, we will have to wait for the gold to rise to another 237 pips before we can start shorting it, and take profit level will be at 2352, aiming at least 724 pips profit from the signal. However, for the safe zone this time, it's going to actually be a little bit bigger. It's going to be right here at the absolutely peak of the previous resistance right here exactly at 2450 to be sure. So therefore our safe zone will be ranging to around 262 pips against 717 pips. Hopefully gonna be in profit. Let me know, please write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the gold. I really hope this time is gonna go well, and hopefully this time we can make profits, and actually have good feelings with this one. I think it's gonna be a good signal. And of course, in the end, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal, such as these updates right here, which I have sent recently on the gold. I think I have even sent a good one right here. I have even sent another update here. A strong bearish movement is noticed. Gold has dropped for 440 pips in the last 9 hours. So again, these updates is only available on Telegram, so therefore make sure to actually join the group. It's for free, of course. You don't have to pay anything at all. You can just find the link in the description below of this video. I'm just simply doing the best I can to deliver to you these signals along with the updates. I cannot just send you these updates and just let you trade it by yourself. You have to always receive these updates from Xtreme Trader as well. So in the end, my friends, I really hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.